Welcome back to Double Two. You guys have to subscribe quick before I turn on this hole. I went down the hole. Guys, I'm gonna go back in that hole and see what is inside. Guys, you know where we are. And my name is Kavaru, and good night. And welcome back to Double Trouble House. I can't go back, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to go out. Okay, guys. So today we are playing some. I forgot this game. I literally forgot what the game's called. Oh my god, guys! I'm gonna touch the ceiling. So poof. Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm on top. You guys better subscribe, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Woohoo! Before I go crazy. Guys, you can see that? I was literally flying across the room. 3, 2, 1, let's go, guys. I couldn't make it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was amazing. Some sky. Okay, guys. Whoa! Look at this, guys. I'm going super fast. Going 50 miles per hour. Whoa, that was fast. Did not make that fast. Look, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I don't think I can keep this up. Guys, I don't think I can keep this up. Okay, guys, I'll show you the tour. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna fly out the window. So guys, I'll show you a tour around here. These are tracks that I have been on, and they're so hard. In the bathroom, it's very hard. Hold on, I gotta be like a real like race car person that's literally on a map. I really gotta be. Got it. Why would I download that? It's not for kids. Okay, guys, we're going down. Stairs! Woohoo! Well, guys, look. So if I show you, there is a top deck. So this is my house. I call this home. I literally call this home. I'm calling this home, guys. Phew, guys. Guys, I'm calling this home. This is my homeland. This is my whole land. Guys, there's another track. Literally right here. Guys! Subscribe! Okay, that was good. Get out! Guys, do you literally see the car? Oh my god! What the heck? Okay, I'm using my code. Let's go back. What the? I'm gonna do it more. What the? Guys, did you see what just happened? I just fell out of the world. Okay, let's do that one more time. Guys, I'm going 04046 something. I don't know. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Okay, 3, 2, go! Okay, that's crazy. god. Okay, guys, this is the door. Okay, guys, this is something that I haven't checked out before. I've never seen this inside the map. There's literally a door, the entrance to a little clubhouse. I found a world! So, well, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! And hope you subscribe, comment on this video, and like, hit that notification bell, and hope you watch all my videos. Bye!